Hi guys, welcome back to Best Up TV. I'm Alex. Today I'm going to introduce to you our new machine, LaserBox, the best helper for cutting and engraving. As a cutting machine, it's much smarter than other huge ones. It's light and small. You can even put it on the table. And it has the visualized work table. You can watch your ideas coming to life. And it's very intelligent. It makes all the steps much easier. I'm not a machine lover, but I can master it in a very short time. The LaserBox features a smart scanning camera which can autofocus, identify the material, and detect its position. And it comes with a convenient and easy controlled computer software. All you need to do is to import your design, edit the image, send the instruction, and leave all the rest of works to our LaserBox. The maximum cutting area is 50 centimeters long and 30 centimeters wide. The thickness is up to 2.2 centimeters. If you want to stop the machine when it's working, press the button. If you want it to continue to work, press the button again. If you want to cancel the instruction, lift up the top and long press the button for 5 seconds. These are the materials our LaserBox can engrave: wood, slate, leather, bamboo, ceramic, metal, and glass. You can cut and engrave these contained materials, such as these wood boards. It has an identification code so the machine can identify the material and its engraving parameters. But if you want to engrave your own materials, you need to do some measurements and tests to find out its most suitable parameters. The material we choose is our slate. First, I'm going to measure its thickness. Then I'm going to put it into the machine and close. You can see the camera has scanned the material. Now I need to import the image and edit. This software can edit images of many different formats. Then I need to add my own material. Enter its name and thickness. Here we need to add 1 mm to the thickness to prevent the laser nozzle from touching the material directly and getting damaged. Off passes means the number of times. We don't want to cut, so here the number of times is 0. The number of times to engrave is once, the speed is 60% and the power is 10%, and save the material. And click Engrave on the top right corner and click the Start button. It's now loading and calculating the time we need. Right now I just need to click to send the instruction. Now the instruction was sent to the machine. I just need to press the button and it will start to work. Now it's engraving. Next, let's try this bamboo board. We have sent the instruction. Now let's press the Start button. Now we will try on our PU leather keychain. Press the button to start the machine. Our LaserBox is also good at cutting. Right now we are going to cut this harbor coaster. This side is for sublimation and we cut it with the bottom side facing up. Now I need to import the pattern and edit, and choose the harbored material I have already added in my software. Click Cut on the top right corner and the Start button, and send the instruction to the machine. This is the letter B of bed sub and the durable photo cube we made. You can also realize your ideas by cutting. Most amazingly, it can engrave your hand-drawn patterns on the materials you like. It sounds a little difficult, but actually it's extremely easy. Just leave it all to our laser box. First, I draw a pattern on a paper. Then I put it into the machine. After scanning, take out the paper and put in the material. Now I can edit the pattern on the material I choose. And click Engrave on the top right corner and click the Start button and send the instruction to the machine. As you can see, the laser box really makes laser cutting and engraving much easier. No matter your design is a hand-drawn one or a Photoshop one, it can realize all your creative ideas. From advertising signs to home decors to personalized gift, it's an essential machine for you to create with laser.